I don't have a phone number on our website because customer service is a show and tell game. If somebody called me up and said, I've got a G17 Flint holster and I've got soft loops on it and I want to convert it to DCCs, and I said, okay, take the soft loops off, take the mobbing off. You need 3/4 inch flathead truss screws, 1/4 inch rigid spacers, you need eyelets, a mod wing, a 1/2 inch screw post. I've lost them. It's a show game and only secondarily a tell game. And the reason why we do almost all of our customer service by email, occasionally by like FaceTime or video call, is because it is way easier to show somebody how to adjust this, how to modify it, how to reassemble it, than it is to tell somebody how to do those things. If you've ever tried to, IKEA shows you, they don't tell you, because if they gave you instructions to build that sectional sofa in a series of bullet points that were all plain text, you would not be able to assemble the thing, even if you had excellent mechanical aptitude. And so the explanation we give when customers email us and they're like, I would really like to talk to somebody, I'm having this or that problem. When we say the fastest way we can help you find the solution is by email, because we can provide videos, product links, and photographs that are made specifically to answer the exact question you have. One of my favorite approaches, if somebody has kind of a complicated customer service thing, is I shoot individual private YouTube videos to walk specific customers through problems they're having, the exact combination of questions they're having, demonstrated on the exact holster configuration that they're asking about. It is easier and faster for me as the owner of the company to throw my iPhone down on a table, grab a holster that exactly matches theirs off the shelf, and actually go through the adjustment or reconfiguration on tape one time, narrating over it, than it is for me to try to talk somebody through it by text in an email. The chance that the customer is going to get frustrated, give up, misassemble it, get poor performance, and have an overall bad customer experience is way higher if I can't show and I can only tell. And for that reason, we do email customer service, and we don't have a phone number on our website, because a phone number generally doesn't actually help us help customers. And while I can understand why some people want to talk on the phone to somebody, after years and years, over a decade of doing this and tens of thousands of customers, I am really interested in what works and gets the customer the answer they need in the least amount of frustration, time, and work. And that, hands down, is photo and video. So that's why we don't have a phone number on our website.